Starting my day off like normal with a cup of coffee with some fasting drops in it and a little bit of heavy cream. Headed up with Renee and Jeff to feed the baby goats. They're still on bottles, so they gotta have their morning bottle. Oh, you're so excited.
These are cute.
So starving to death.
You're so strong.
Yeah.
Pushing it.
Look at the tail wag.
Oh my gosh.
They drink so fast.
Now
You
that
need to
there's a
learn to
hole
savor
in
it.
The tiniest bit. Followed us everywhere.
Good morning, Maple.
She's like,
She knows that you feed her in the morning, and she's just following you around until she gets her food. Oh, Maple.
it's okay, I'm not feeding
All right, we're
her
just
now.
gonna open the chickens real quick,
Yeah.
and then we'll get you your food, mates.
Oh, just on that.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Go, chickens.
There you go, chickens.
I'll check for it.
Okay. Can you see?
I just-
Oh my goodness.
Oh, whoa.
You guys be nice to each other, please. That one's in there like always. Is there one in there? Nice.
Wait, is there one in there?
Nope.
Feels like it feels.
Good morning, chickens.
Oh, that feels so nice.
Good
now
morning,
I have
chickens.
a warm egg.
A warm egg to keep your hands warm. You're so funny. Let's go check the secret nest.
Okay.
Because
Wait,
this one just
I-
came from over there, and this one's one that's been laying in the secret nest.
I never knew where it was.
Oh, you haven't seen it yet?
Yeah.
Charity found it yesterday. I'll show you where it is. It's over here, back behind these ladders and wood. It's right here, but I don't see any eggs in it right now. It's just, you want to peek back there? It's just right back behind that wood.
It's just
So when you check for eggs, check there too, because 2 chickens have been laying there. I think we found 7 eggs there yesterday. I think this is one of the ones that's been laying in there. This is the one that likes to eat the cat food and like fights the cat for the cat food.
It's the one who started eating the cat food, and then the other ones came over.
It's a bad influence.
Yeah.
Bad chicken. What are you eating for breakfast, Levi?
This.
What is it? Do you know?
No.
They're called carnivore crisps. Levi saw those sitting on my desk, and that's what he wanted for his breakfast protein. Right?
Yes.
Were they tasty?
Yeah.
Levi is a big fan.
I ate these.
You ate 3 of them?
Yeah. See.
Okay. It's been about 2 hours since I had my coffee, and I'm going to go ahead and do my athletic greens. 1 scoop of the greens. Oops. And then I do my 10,000 IU of vitamin D. Yes, Levi? I would love to. Just a sec.
That's not Wanda.
I know. Go find your cup. Yep. Go ahead. And then I like to have mine with a little bit of ice because it's nice and cool and refreshing.
I found it.
Okay. It's easy.
I don't get ice water.
Sure. And so I'm going to sip on this while I finish editing a video. And then once I get hungry after this, I will have my first meal of the day. We had tacos and taco salad for dinner last night, so I'm just going to have some leftovers for my first meal of the day. This is about 8 ounces of cooked ground beef with taco seasoning. I'm just going to add some of this, it's like pico de gallo with avocado in it, and then some crumbled Mexican cheese on top. I don't think I'm going to be counting my macros today. I try to do that when I make a what I eat in a day video, but sometimes, especially with stuff that's already mixed up and together, it's hard to nail it down, and sometimes I don't want to take the trouble. So No macros on this video. A little crumble. And I'll see how I feel after I finish this. Getting some scraps to the chickens. Chicka chicka chickens. Chicka chicka chickens. Yeah, there's some potatoes in there. And some watermelon. Oh, here they come. Here they come. They were just hanging out in the run. Just dump a little. All right, here, let's dump a little over here so they don't mob each other.
They're fighting.
Oh, there's some cantaloupes for them. Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
That's all. You get it? There's one egg. I just mixed up my afternoon electrolyte drink. I did my favorite combination of a scoop of Relight with a scoop of Perfect Keto Daily Electrolytes. Pretty much any combination of flavors with these two brands I just really like. This is a 40-ounce cup, so one scoop of each works well. And these days, since I've been putting some electrolytes in my coffee, I usually get through just one of these cups in a day, and that is with Levi sharing it with me. He loves drinking my electrolyte drink, so I probably don't get quite the full 40 ounces in the day. And then that little bit that I get in my coffee, that seems to be a good amount for me right now. I did want to let you know that Perfect Keto is having another sale. And yes, they do have lots of sales. So there's always one going on, it seems like. But every once in a while, they'll have a bigger sale. And this one right now is a bigger sale. It's the Labor Day sale. And it's one of the ones where the more you buy, the bigger discount you get. So if you buy 3 items, you get 25% off. If you buy 4 items, you get 35% off. And if you buy 5 items, you can get a 40% off discount. So that's like one of the biggest discounts that you'll ever see from Perfect Keto. So I know their stuff is expensive. You should never buy it unless there is a sale. And if you do have the finances to stock up, it is a good time to do that. Their electrolytes, I love. Their MCT oil powder, I love. Their collagen, the keto collagen actually, if you look at the ingredients, it actually has MCT oil powder in it as well. It's like 5 grams MCT oil powder, 10 grams collagen. I think that's why they call it keto collagen, because it has that extra bit of MCT oil in it. So that's a really good product to add to all kinds of things. Lots of people like it in coffee. I love to use it in like my egg yolk waffles that I customized with the MCT oil powder or the keto collagen powder. That's really good. And then of course my cheesecakes, it's great for that. I just find I really love it in baking. I also love the MCT oil powder in like Italian soda type drinks with some lemon lime seltzer, some strawberry MCT oil powder. So good. Anyways, enough about that. I will have all the details down in the description below, and you can just use the link down there and the discount will automatically be applied depending on how many items you put in your cart. I am currently filming a taste test video for Trader Joe's items that I got in my last Trader Joe's haul. And so of course I tasted some of this. This is the pork belly, fully cooked pork belly. And I ate some. I ate about the equivalent of 1 slice. I ate a little bit off of this piece, a little bit off of this piece. So not really a meal, but I did munch on that and taste it. So I wanted to make sure I got it in the video. It is time for a second cup of coffee. It's about 2:30 p.m. I'm going to put in some of my Keto Chow electrolyte drops and then some heavy cream. Time for dinner, and I'm having lemon pepper chicken wings. I just used some Redmond lemon pepper seasoning and cooked these in the air fryer at 400 for 18 minutes until they were good and crispy. And I didn't add any like dipping sauce or anything because I know I'm going to have a little bit of a dessert after this because I have some dessert leftovers that I really want to eat. So I am just going to enjoy these chicken wings and then I'll show you my dessert. Time for dessert. So these are some little blackberry cheesecake cups that I made yesterday for a little get-together we were having. Let me just tell you real quick the method that I used. So the recipe I used, of course, is my perfect keto cheesecakes that you guys saw a week or so ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. And I used that as the base recipe with vanilla collagen as the flavor option. And then I cut the batter in half and saved half of it plain. And then to the other half, I took some blackberries, fresh picked from our property here, and strained them. So I got rid of the seeds, basically just had some blackberry juice / puree. And I put that in a little pan and cooked it down probably till it reduced by half to kind of just get rid of some of the liquid in there. And I probably stirred in about 1/4 of a cup of that blackberry liquid into 1/2 of the batter. And then I filled the cup halfway with the plain and then the other half with the blackberry. And I cooked them in the Instant Pot for 8 minutes on low pressure. And they turned out super great. When I served them last night, I topped them with a little bit of whipped cream and a sprinkle of the Honey Nut Perfect Keto cereal crumbs, same as I used for the crust on the big cheesecakes. And then I just put one fresh blackberry on top. They turned out gorgeous and they were so good. So I am going to enjoy this little cheesecake for my dessert, trying to keep it to just this one little one. This is a 4th cup jar, so it's very teeny. Gotta practice moderation with things like this, but I am going to enjoy it. The last thing I'm going to have this evening is some decaf espresso with heavy cream, and that is going to be it for this video. Don't forget to check out Perfect Keto's Labor Day sale if you're needing to stock up. You can get that 40% off if you buy 5 or more items, which is one of their best sales of the year. I will have the link and all the details down in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day video, and I will see you again in the next one.